You're staring at your to-do list for 15 minutes, stuck on a decision that should take 2. Should you take that job offer? Should you refactor the backend now or ship the feature first? You've been going in circles. Here's the thing, most people use AI as a search engine on steroids. They ask it to write emails or explain concepts. But the real superpower? Using AI as a structured thinking partner for decisions you're stuck on. Not to make the choice for you. To force you to think clearly. Point 1. The Devil's Advocate Prompt. The biggest trap in decision-making is confirmation bias. You get an idea, you fall in love with it, and you only see evidence that supports it. Next time you're torn between 2 options, paste this exact prompt into your AI. Challenge my assumption. I believe your position. Argue against it with 3 concrete reasons I haven't considered. Be ruthless. Don't be polite. I did this when deciding whether to quit my job last year. The AI gave me 3 counterarguments, 2 I'd never even thought of. I still made the same choice, but I made it with eyes open. That's the whole point. Point 2. The Premortem. Here's a technique originally from the world of project management. Picture it's 6 months from now and your plan failed spectacularly. Then ask the AI, it's 6 months later and my project failed. Write the autopsy. What went wrong, step by step, starting from the decisions I'm making today. This is brutally effective because our brains are wired to imagine success, not failure. The AI will give you failure modes you were blind to. I caught 3 potential landmines in a product launch this way, things that would have been embarrassing postmortems turned into pre-launch fixes. Point 3. The second-order effects drill. Every decision has chain reactions. Ask for a second, third, and fifth-order effects analysis. Lay out your choice and say, walk me through the ripple effects. If I do X today, what happens in 1 week? 1 month? 1 year? What happens to the thing I'm not even thinking about? When I was deciding whether to take on a freelance client that paid really well, the fifth-order effect was sobering. The project required a tech stack I didn't want to specialize in, and taking it would have locked me into that niche for the next 2 years. The short-term money was bait. The AI helped me see the trap before I took the bite. Here's the pattern across all 3, the AI isn't the oracle. You are. The AI is just a mirror that reflects your blind spots back at you. Most people use it as a shortcut to avoid thinking. The best use is as a tool that forces you to think harder. If this was useful, hit subscribe. I put out a video like this every week. And drop a comment, what's one decision you're wrestling with right now? I'll reply to the first 20 with a personalized Devil's Advocate prompt. See you in the next one.